how to deactivate X account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to temporarily deactivate your X or Twitter account within the X app on an iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So the first thing you need to do is open up the X app, then select your profile icon on the top left of the app to open up the menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy, and then just select your account at the top. Once there, select Deactivate Account, and then all we need to do to deactivate our account is select Deactivate. Keep in mind, if you do not reactivate your account within 30 days, it'll be permanently deleted. So set a reminder or something like that. All you need to do to reactivate it is log back into your account, and then it'll be reactivated and you'll stop that 30-day timer. So go ahead and select Deactivate, enter your X password, then confirm you want to deactivate it by selecting Deactivate, and your X account will be temporarily deactivated. Remember, log back in within 30 days so that it doesn't get permanently deleted. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel.